episode 3 of Project CITI Life. We finally got the Golfie down on its wheels. We got new spaces at the back as well. It was spaces off of the Mustang actually, but they weren't very big, so obviously it didn't give the wheels quite the look that I needed, but it does give the look that this one needs. And you can see the fitment now. Once the car's down, you'll see the proper fitment, but the fitment now is on point. We got the engine bay all nice and clean. The car is not clean yet. We're going to clean the car tomorrow, pressure wash the car, and just get it all nice and shiny. And yeah, we got the inside done at least. Ginger Ninja's been hard at work today, the whole day. Busy cleaning out the car, and got the back seat back in, both front seats back in.
You didn't think
we are going to be... No, I didn't know at all.
I was like, when you messaged me, we were working together, I was like, okay, no, I'll wait for you to come home. Then
but yeah, so the car's basically gonna get off the jack stands now for the first time in what, a month and a half, 2 months.
What, off the jacks?
Yeah, off the jacks. So yeah, but she's up and running. We started her the other day and she sounded healthy. Struggled to start a little bit, but obviously cold and she hasn't started in a while. Fluids need to flow through and all that. I think she's out of petrol though, so we are gonna have to we are gonna have to fill her up obviously, and then and then break in the brakes as well. But yeah, there she is, and it's not the final episode. This is not the final episode. This is just obviously the car's drivable, and oh, he done a rally. Let me show you. Got a rally mod.
This car doesn't have power, so each drive is 5 kilowatts. There's 20 kilowatts.
There's 20 kilowatt right there. I mean, what? How much more kilowatts do you need? So she's making about 23 kilowatt now.
Yeah. Maybe 21.
But yeah, I'm glad she's back on her feet almost, and they're putting in the engine mount now. The one engine mount was sheared completely in its chops. Let's take a look. Got the seats all clean. I'm gonna break this door handle again. Just show me how. Show me how. Oh,
my finger.
Well, yeah. Seats all nice and clean. Okay, the seats are bitchy loose. And then we're gonna be putting my old radio in there.
She's aan die regterkant en die regterkant. Ja. Hoe was dit nie vas? Hy was net al hy's baie los. Hy was al los voordat ons die seats aangesit het.
Carpet's nice and clean.
I know.
And yeah, and we did that last time. Steamed the dash and the side panels. So we're going to be putting the new radio in, so you at least have some Bluetooth. And
all of my chommies have here. Wanneer sit jy daai jou klippies terug? Klippies terug. Die ek wanneer ons die môre.
And then we can silicone the stuff, everything tomorrow after we clean the car. Yeah, then we can silicone everything, so it can be nice and shiny. Silicone those mirrors. Put some wheel polish on these mags.
Dan moet jy die wiele opblaas.
Ja, we have ons het die dinges compressor hier so. En ons hom lekker opblaas. Batteries in. Yo. Project CITI Life, puppy. Episode 3. It took 3 episodes. Only 3. Only 3.
Yeah, how much space there was between those three.
Yeah, there was a lot of space between those three. Like what? The last episode was what? A month ago. So yeah. Oh. But yeah.
It's all long. It's only vanaf de maas.
Net vinnig gewas. Nee man, jy was 'n proper job in. Proper.
I did it again. Ooh, just
Well, let's get the what's it? The fucking thing, Zeus. What's that thing's name? The compressor. We're gonna get the compressor connected so we can pump up the wheels. Kaya. What you doing? What you doing? What you doing? You go here. Zeus. Zeusy boy. Zeusy boy. Busy pumping up the tires now. Needs to be about 2.5 bar because of these low profiles. And it's nice hard ride. Other two, the radio. The speaker's working. So just still pump up that one. You can see that one is completely flat. But yeah, that one's getting pumped up now. 2.5 bar. Yay! Yo. She lives. She's alive. She's alive. That fitment though. She's alive. Yeah. Something's working.
I think it's net daai ou ons se engine wash gedoen het. Ja. En ek kyk kom ons engine cleaner.
Don't worry about the smoke, guys. Some leftover engine cleaner. So it's getting hot now. Now we're just washing quickly. Yo, this paint be popping. Yo, the detail. You say you're not accepting Dhaka. Ek het hom toegemaak al. Hey Keenan, you're not accepting Dhaka. Hey? Who wants a duck taken? Yo, Sinister, where you at? With the Daihatsu. Yo. A 1.1 versus a 1.4. It's a 1 liter. Oh yeah. It's got that intake and a tune. Yo. Put that super motor in.
Kom nie vir my staan en kyk waar sy nie.
Kar moet ry, het sy eerste job in die Kaap. Die kar het sy eerste job in die Kaap, bro. Sy nie slaap Keenan in die kar vanaand. This is part 2 of this video. This is about a week later. Back at the old filming station or whatever you want to call it, and we got the car back home basically, and yeah, found out a couple of problems now.
Yeah,
steering rack.
Okay, it's not broken, it's just loose.
Steering rack's just got play in it.
My wheel is buckled.
Back wheel, eh?
One thing.
Yeah, one of the back wheels is buckled, but we're just gonna replace that with the spare wheel.
Yeah.
The spare wheel's the same mag, eh? No.
It's a biscuit.
Is it a biscuit?
It's not biscuit.
It's a biscuit wheelie.
You know the normal Steelies?
Oh yeah.
It's normal Steely.
Okay, normal Steely.
Yeah. And then
And then that's about it. But you said we're gonna bleed the brakes now as well, and then we're gonna be installing my old radio that was in here that I swapped out for the touchscreen, swapping it into here so that at least this one have some Bluetooth in his car.
Because I have a radio.
I have a radio but no Bluetooth. You want the Bluetooth?
I want this only.
Well, exactly. This piece of the car.
I think it's a toy.
But you said we're gonna get a cold start now.
Yeah.
Let's see.
He said I can't start it first try.
You're not gonna start it first try.
I don't even
You remember, hey, it must start. It mustn't go cheat and then freck. It must start. So let's see. Gonna get a cold start. Cold start. Yay! You might get a cold start with me. But you must. Hop, 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 hop. Oh. Ah, at least you got it. That was a cold start. That was at least a cold start. So yeah, we got Andre pulling through. Yo, sorry about the bed aid, guys. Damn. Anyway, we got Andre pulling through. Andre's gonna come and come install the radio. He's our tech guy when it comes to radio stuffs. So he's gonna pull through and he's gonna do that for us. I mean, I can do it. I've done the radio on this car, and it's just wiring. The looms are fairly the same, so it's just we just need to do with some wiring. But yeah, with the cam. But yeah, we're just waiting for him quickly to pull up, and then we're gonna do the radio.